Hi guys! Another day, another weekend. So after nga ng mga pag-ulan at pagbaha, finally, it's a sunny day. So we decided to go out. And we want to go somewhere na malapit lang, affordable pero masarap dapat ang food, at syempre maganda ang ambience. So after na yung mag-isip and mag-usap about financial literacy, sana nga ba aabot ang 500 pesos mo? So off we go to Uptown Mall, BGC. Suggested by my friend, i-try daw namin yung Chili's 380 pesos promo. Sa 380, meron ka ng full meal and may drinks na kasama. So let's see. Says here, choose your solo size starter, whether soup or kaya yung salad. Tapos, you have to choose your solo size entree. Maraming choices. You will have taco, yung fried chicken, quesadilla, may pasta. Then, sa drinks, you can choose whether iced tea or lemonade. In my case, I choose the house salad and yung grilled chicken Alfredo pasta nila. For drinks naman, I have my lemonade. So, my friends ordered different sets. So, syempre, para wise, kailangan matikman namin lahat. And grabe, promise, ang sarap. We also ordered separate drinks. I got my classic margarita. Tapos, they have a promo for a buy one, take one ng mojito for 285 pesos. So, I would say na talagang great value for money na. And so, since we're fully satisfied, tara cheers! Cheers for friendship, for more blessings, for success, for love, for happiness, for world peace, and etc. etc. And after ng Chili's, gusto pa din daw nila magkape. So, syempre, mawawala ba naman ng Starbucks? Yes, matik na yan. Okay lang friend, na minsan mag-unwind ka din to enjoy life, hindi naman pwedeng puro trabaho, diba? Basta nga, ang isipin mo na kurot lang ang gagawing paggasta. At syempre, depende sa iyong kinikita, okay? Hanggang sa muli, good day!